How to use WeLM like a pro. FYI, WeLM is known as a well-read pre-trained language model, WeChat Team, for Chinese that is able to seamlessly perform different types of tasks with zero or few shot demonstrations. To use WeLM like a pro, some tips might include: 1. Familiarize yourself with WeLM's capabilities. As with any language model, it's important to understand what WeLM can and cannot do. Read up on its strengths and weaknesses, and explore its various features and capabilities. 2. Understand the data. When working with WeLM, it's important to have a good understanding of the data you're working with. This can include the specific domain or subject matter, as well as any nuances or complexities of the Chinese language. 3. Fine-tune the model. WeLM can be fine-tuned on specific datasets to improve its performance on particular tasks or domains. Consider whether fine-tuning is appropriate for your use case, and explore techniques and best practices for doing so. 4. Evaluate and iterate. As with any machine learning model, it's important to evaluate WeLM's performance and iterate as needed. Continuously monitor its output and adjust parameters as needed to achieve the best results. Related links: 1. Try out WeLM at https://welm.wexin.qq.com/. 2. WeLM, a well-read pre-trained language model for Chinese. https://ar14.org/abs/2209.10372. 3. https://commoncrawl.org. Common Crawl is a non-profit 501 organization that crawls the web and freely provides its archives and datasets to the public.